Temperatures have not budged much at all since earlier this morning. We stayed in the upper 20s and lower 30s thanks to the clouds that are still stuck in place out there. And as a result, we have temperatures at the current moment right around freezing for most. And then as you go down into the eastern panhandle in a few spots, Charlestown, Martinsburg, for example, you're seeing some middle 30s. And that's what we also have down along the I-95 corridor. So yeah, we haven't really seen much of a change from this morning's conditions. And look at all that cold air still locked in place. Of course, the clouds have kept us pretty steady overall, but then you factor in that fresh snowpack here in the four-state region. And then there's still a lot of cold air to the north where they have, of course, a lot more snowfall than what we even have here. Check out the satellite and radar picture. Cold northwest flow also to blame, as well as a weak disturbance that passed us by earlier this morning. You can see the extent of that cloud cover reaching all the way back into the Great Lakes. Now, things are starting to lighten up a little bit. We can see a little bit more brightness showing out there, but you can see really there's no break in the overall cloud deck whatsoever. And as we roll into the rest of this afternoon, some of us may catch a few rays of sunshine, but it is not looking all that likely at this point, as those clouds again are going to stay in place with the cold northwest flow. Tonight, we finally will break that cloud deck just in time for it to get pretty cold. Lows will be down into the upper teens and lower 20s, but this weekend we'll be warming our high temperatures up toward the 40s. And are we looking at the potential for more snowfall as we head toward Christmas? Well, we'll show you that in just a minute here, but check it out the rest of today. Again, you can see that the models are picking up on a little bit of clearing, but I don't anticipate that being the case as we roll forward into the afternoon. There will be some sunshine, like I mentioned, in a few spots, but those clouds are going to be very stubborn and not want to break up until we get just past about 5 or 6 o'clock tonight. Then we will definitely have ample amounts of clear sky rolling into your Saturday. There will be more sunshine tomorrow, especially the first half of the day, than there was today overall, but high clouds start to stream in as we head into the afternoon and evening. That next system will be arriving on Sunday, bringing with it the chance for some mixed precipitation, rain and snow showers, all dependent on where you're located and your current temperature as well. And speaking of those temperatures, here we go. The rest of today, again, we're not going to escape the 30s. And look at this cold core of air that is going to try to dive down. We are going to see those upper teens in a few of the more rural spots in Pennsylvania and Maryland, 20s elsewhere as you go down to the south and east. But highs tomorrow a little bit warmer than today as we'll get to those upper 30s, near 40 degrees. And then by Sunday, highs will reach into the 40s, which is why we're going to see a mix of rain and snow showers. All other than that is going to be quiet as we roll into next week. But as we get into next Thursday, it looks like we have the potential for a pretty potent storm system rolling our direction. For now, it's just going to bring rainfall with warm temperatures in place, but we could see a dip in those temperatures by Christmas.